Okay, I wanted to show you guys number 10 here on the review, just because there's some details there that, I don't know if I made real clear. So picture looks kind of like this. A, B, C, D, E. And then it gives you, and then you can go right to your proof here, statement, reason. It looked like you guys were generally getting this, but maybe some of you guys were a little confused on this midpoint and, alternate interior angle. So that's what I want to go over. They gave you this. AB is parallel to DE. Mark that with the arrows, okay, like that. And then they also gave you C as the midpoint. Write this in your proof, even though it's, not really telling you congruence quite yet. You still need to include this in your proof for credit. So those things are given. C is the midpoint. Okay, I can't mark anything from that yet because I still need to write the congruence. So what do I know based on this? If C is the midpoint of BD, the thing I know is actually that BC is the same as CD. Okay, if this is in the middle, midpoint of this, that means this and this are the same. Okay, the reason for that, you could say definition of midpoint, or some of you guys just said midpoint. That's fine. The reason I knew that, the reason I knew this was because of this. Okay, it's deductive reasoning. Because they gave me this, I can say this. Okay, that's the reasoning aspect of it. Now, what else? We got vertical angles. You probably see there. Angle ACB and angle, DCE. You can always put those in your proof, vertical angles. Mark those. Okay, and then we need one more thing now. Okay, now we got this other clue here. What is this telling me? What congruence? Well, with parallel lines, usually we're looking for these alternate interior angles. So I could either pick this pair here, B and D, are alternate interiors, or I could go A and E. It really doesn't matter. So I'll just say angle B and angle D are congruent. Alternate interior angles. You can only say alternate interior angles if you have parallel lines. Okay, so it's deductive reasoning. Because of this, I could say this. Okay, just like here, because of this midpoint, I can say this line here. Because of this, I can say this line here. So you gotta be able to deduce. That's kind of the key thing on those. Mark those. Okay, if I took that route, then you're talking ASA, it looks like. So triangle A, what did they say? ABC, make sure you line up these letters correctly. And triangle, they said how it was, EDC. If you read the problem, it actually tells you this statement, and that's going to be ASA. Okay, so that's that deductive reasoning part where you got to use the givens to write these statements here. Okay, if you had done these as your equal angles, you might have had AAS, which is fine. So you might have AAS here if you did a different pair of alternate interior angles. Okay, hopefully that helps you out.